In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up service level agreements, or SLAs, in Zendesk. SLAs are a vital tool for defining how quickly your team should respond to or resolve support tickets, ensuring a consistently high level of service for your customers. First things first, before we dive into the process, make sure that you are logged into your Zendesk account with the appropriate permissions. Typically, you need to be an admin to access and configure these settings. Once you're all set on that front, you'll be navigating to the Admin Center. From there, the path you need to follow is Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, and finally, Service Level Agreements. This will take you to the area where you can create and manage your SLAs. On the SLA page, you're going to want to click on the option to create a new policy. This might be labeled as Create Policy or Add SLA Policy, depending on your specific Zendesk setup. Once you're here, you'll begin by entering a policy name. This is essential for keeping your SLAs organized and recognizable. Additionally, consider adding a description to give further context about the policy's purpose and application. The heart of your SLA policy lies in defining its conditions. This is where you'll specify the scenarios in which this policy will be applied. Conditions might include aspects such as to which organization the ticket belongs, the channel through which it was submitted, any specific tags, or the priority level assigned. The conditions you define determine when and how this SLA applies to incoming tickets. Next comes the part where you set your metric targets. For each priority level, urgent, high, normal, and low, you'll decide targets like first reply time, next reply time, and requester wait time. One key decision here is whether these targets should be measured in calendar hours or business hours. This is an important choice based on how your team operates and the expectations you want to set with your customers. If you like, you can delve into advanced settings. These are optional, but very useful for refining when an SLA starts or stops. Particularly useful for metrics like first reply time. It's those little tweaks that ensure your SLA policy functions precisely as you intend, reflecting the nuances of your service process. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and save the SLA policy. A crucial tip to remember: order your policies from the most strict to the least strict. This arrangement ensures that the correct policy is applied to a ticket. Additionally, aligning your ticket workflows is vital, specifically ensuring that every ticket has a default priority field set. Without this, the SLA might not activate as expected. By following these steps, you ensure that your SLAs on Zendesk are configured to keep your team performing at their best, providing excellent service where it matters most. So take some time to thoughtfully set these up, and you'll be well on your way to a more efficient and customer-friendly support operation.